Under this war, the Crimean War broke out between England and Russia and Europe. A large number of European soldiers were pulled back to Europe to fight in Russia. The fall in the number of European troops in India encouraged the Indian Sipais to break out in the open revolt. Many of them gone to their own place to fight against Russia. So this Indian Sipais were encouraged to stand on their own. Okay, next we'll have the effect of annexation of Awadh. The Bengal army was very strong and well armed. It consists mainly the soldiers drawn from the Awadh. Okay, they disbanded the Awadh military. We studied in the economic causes. From that military, people joined in the Bengal military army. Okay, the annexation of Awadh in 1857 sent a wave to resentment among them and inflamed their feeling. They are very angry. Okay, they had more anger in their mind, so they want to create a new army, a Bengal army. Okay, numerical strength of the Indian soldiers. The number of Indian soldiers was 5 times of that British troops. Okay, we are 5 times more in number. It encouraged the Indian soldiers to take up the arms against the English. Okay, we studied the economic causes and military causes. Discontentment among the Indian soldiers. In that we studied ill treatment of soldiers and inferior status of the soldiers and low salaries given to the soldiers. And we studied they have to go across the sea for everything, for to fight or write exam. So it was not acceptable by them, by the Indians. And this British got defeat in the Afghan war. So we got encouragement. Even the British can face the defeat. That gave the big encouragement to the people. And this last one is they had a fight with Russia. So many of the English soldiers gone to Europe. In that time we became more. We are in number. That gave the big encouragement to them, and they created one new army, Bengal army. The people from Awadh, the military people all joined there, and then we are more in number. So this all the military causes. So we studied the political causes and social religious causes, economic causes and military causes. At last we are going to study this immediate cause. Immediately something happened there. What happened? See, they created one, introduced one rifle. Okay, rigged by the greased cartridge, a new type of rifle they introduced in the army. This English people introduced a new type of rifle. Okay, in that they have to greased with the some kind of fat. The fat created by the pigs and cows. That fat they greased and they have to bite on the top and then use this rifle. So this Hindus were thinking this cow is sacred animal for them, and the Muslims were thinking the pigs are very dirty animal for them. So they both don't want to bite this kind of rifle by their mouth. So that was the first immediate cause. They don't want to use this kind of rifle system, so they want to create a problem. Immediately they want to revolt or they want to fight against this English. Okay, by 1857 the material for a mass uprising was ready. Only a spark was needed to set on a fire. It was triggered by the greased cartridges. A new type of rifle, Enfield rifle, was introduced in the army. Greased cartridges were to be used in them. Before fitting them, the rifle, the soldiers had to bite the tip of the cartridges with their teeth. A rumor spread that they were greased with the fat of cow and the pig. I told this is a sacred animal for Hindus. This is a dirty animal for Muslims. Both Hindu and the Muslim Sipais were enraged the thought that the English government wanted to defile their religions. Okay, both refused to use their cartridges when force was used against them. they became infuriated and rose in the revolt. They were very angry and they want to fight. This is the immediate cause. Children, you should be able to write the immediate cause as a short answer, or economic cause as a detailed answer, political cause as a detailed answer. So now you are going, I'm going to give you a assignment for you. You have to write immediate cause. Under this we have a short, okay, you keep this as a short answer. Next you can write the military causes. You have 6 subheadings. One, in a one line you have to create a paragraph. Okay, like that you have to read the book and create the paragraph. And in the military causes you have 6. In the economic causes you have 8 points. Okay, in the 8 points. And in your social religious causes you have 6 points. In your social religious causes you have 6 points. Okay, when you get, you will read the book and make assignment. And in your political causes again you have 7 points. So it's such a big answer. You have to write and keep it in your mind. And you have notebook with you. Many of you borrowed book from the previous class, children, I know well. So write in your classwork. One time put it in writing, then only you are able to write as your detailed answer. Okay, thank you children.